What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Prophet. So I just thought I would make a quick video on how to make a custom SKU on eBay, something that only you can see as the seller that you can't see as the buyer. I see too many times a lot of people putting their custom SKUs in the title, and I just think that looks kind of tacky. So this is a very easy way. I'm going to show it on desktop and mobile. Let's start off on desktop. We're going to go to listings here, create a new listing. I'm just going to go to one of my drafts here. Just since I already have that made, I'm not making a full listing. I'm just showing how to do this. Then we're going to come down here to see title options. And if you're not seeing the custom SKU right here, it's because this isn't toggled on. All you have to do is toggle that on. Custom SKU, I can type in A if I have it in a bin. If I have a number system as well, I can type that in. And then once it sells, it will just show that for you. Now, if this does not show up for you, then that means you have not opted into Seller Hub. So all you have to do to get this is basically just upgrade to like the advanced eBay. They just have you on like the beginner's eBay. It does not cost anything. All you have to do is go to My eBay, go to Selling, and then you'll see in the top right, it'll say Switch to Seller Hub. You're going to want to click that, and then your screen and everything's going to look different. Inside your listings and everything's going to look different. And that's how your screen's going to look like this and how it's going to show the custom label SKU. All right, so now we're going to do mobile, and actually, unless you toggle that on desktop, I don't know if it will show up on mobile. So if it's not showing you on mobile, then try to do that on desktop, and it should work. So we're going to come to our drafts here, and all you have to do is in the item specifics. So all we're going to do is scroll down to item specifics, and it's all the way at the bottom. Custom SKU, you can type in whatever you want in that, and it makes it really easy. Only you can see it, and the buyer can't. I saw a bunch of videos on this that were like 6 to 8 minutes long, and a lot of them didn't even answer the question. So I just wanted to make a nice and quick, easy tutorial for you guys on how to make a custom SKU for eBay listings. There's money to be made over, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.